Good morning, colleagues.
Morning.
It's really an honor for me to be here today to launch this special Fiji Day exhibition. I'm very happy to take credit for it myself. It was my idea. Well, it was our idea, SMT, but really I felt we needed to come to the heart of Suva to do this. Because I remember a quote, I believe it was either JFK Jr. or Abraham Lincoln, and he said, the way to kill a people is to erase their history. That is the way to kill a people. So we are here to keep our history alive and our people alive, and I mean Fiji as it is today. A multicultural, multilingual, multiracial, but really diverse but unified. You know, I know Fiji as the Fiji that I grew up in, and growing up in Okanisila in Kalambu, we celebrated all the festivals and all the occasions. Of course, us children were just there for the food, but it was important for our parents that we were able to attend these events as well. And Fiji Day is no exception. Diwali is no exception. Prophet Muhammad's birthday is no exception. Easter is no exception. We celebrate this all year round. And I never, ever, ever had a sense that I was different from someone else beside me. I went to Yetsen Primary School, a very multicultural, multiracial school. There's no issues. And there's no issues till today. And I think that's how our people live every day. If we see how it happens every day, it's politicians that ruin it. That use these tags for their own purposes, selfish purposes, I will say. But we should not let it permeate to our people. And National Archives and our ministry plays this role to unite our people by our message that goes out. But what National Archives does to bring this history to our people so that we remember who we are. We cannot forget who we are. Our foundation. No matter whether we have always been here, whether we came here on a boat, whether we came here on a plane, no matter how we came, the Fiji is our home. And that's our job as National Archives, as Ministry of Information, is to let our people know that we all belong here. A sense of belonging, and that's so important for us. As was mentioned by Government Archivist, this exhibition is more than just historical records. It's a living testimony of our nation's journey. And many young people today, they don't know what our journey is. And we hope that we'll be able to open this up and that the media will get wind of this through our Ministry of Information recording today, to put it out to the media for them to come out in numbers to come and see this. So as you know, we have many treasures. So the members of the public, we have many treasures that we hold here at National Archives. It includes the constitutional discussions and the agreement of the deed of cession, as well as the instrument of independence itself. Very interesting time now as we as a government go through constitutional review. Many young people, especially youth, don't know what a constitution is. They don't know what it means for our country. This display will help them to connect the dots. So we hope that we will also be able to send invitations to schools to bring their students to come through. And as part of their celebration of Independence Week, to come and have a look at this display. I know that year 8 exams are on and may finish by Thursday. But we can bring in the younger students in the earlier years to come and have a look at this display. It is of national significance to be able to view our original constitutional records, to connect it to what we are doing today in terms of constitutional review. So this National Archives was established 20 years before independence, so it's been around even longer than independence, than the 55 years, in 1954. And so, like I mentioned, what is the vision? It is to unite all Fijians through access to our records and our history. And I'm really proud to stand here today to be able to witness this and to launch this exhibition, as small as it may be. It's not about smallness, It's about the message we take out to the public. We as a Ministry of Information and the National Archives, we hold the biggest portal for government, and that is our social media, our Facebook pages, and our connection to all media outlets, to to take out the message to Fiji and the world. So we have a very important responsibility that we play here in this ministry. Of course, providing accurate and authentic information. What is our vision? It's now on our banner. Does anyone know what our vision was from our workshop? A well-informed Fiji. Yeah? That's our vision. And it's now going to go on our banner. So when we march on Friday, it's now on our new banner with our new logo. We haven't done a launch of our logo yet, but I'm sure it'll be organized as well this week so that it goes live when we get all our kalavata and we get our new logo on our material, on our print, and we will wear it proudly on Friday as a ministry. And when they all look to us and know, yep, we know exactly what that ministry is going on about. They are here to inform us well and to inform us with accurate and timely information. And of course, our priority is to modernize our national records. We are in the process of digitizing so that it's easier to be accessed by the members of the public. Okay? They have completed the digitization of over 60,000 Indian immigration records. And then soon we'll be looking at, in line with the modern and high-performing civil service, we are strengthening the National Archives to support digitizing it. So, again, as I mentioned, the special purpose for the archives is to acquire, maintain, and make accessible Fiji's permanent public records. We need it to be well-equipped, well-resourced, and well-protected. And that's the mission of the National Archives, and as a minister, I fully support it, and we will continue to lobby government to give us more funds and finances to achieve this goal. In closing, as we celebrate 55 years of independence, and longer than that for the National Archives, this exhibition serves as a reminder that every record, every photograph, every video, every document is here as part of our collective story. And on that note, I officially open our display for the week for National Archives.